So we've seen all the teams in the World Cup play 3 times, some of them 4 times. But because of the competitiveness of the football, some people are still on the fence as to who will actually win the title. The Maverick is on no such fence. I said it before a ball was kicked. Brazil are my team, but also that Brazil is the best team with the most attacking weapons, and we don't have to totally depend on Neymar anymore. All with a defensively pragmatic coach. Brazil, to me, is still the team to beat. Yes. So while the people on the fence and the wagon keep jumping from England to France to Argentina, depending on who win on the day, that man them says the favorite for the day. Man start talking about Portugal and Morocco now. Yes. Anyway, me no mind. You can keep the favorite stag. Right now, we'll work with Uno. See, Argentina with Messi is a favorite. Big bad France, the defending champions, is another favorite. And jolly old England, even Portugal and Morocco now are favorites. Brazil is just a little team. Just a do a little thing and a limp. And a limp with the quarter final. You know, we don't want a favorite stuff, but Brazil just, we don't need a favorite stuff.